First of all, let me wish all my subscribers, viewers, a very happy Raksha Bandhan today. It's a very great day of commitment, of bonding. I'll tell you something very short before I give you my review for this market this week. Small story of Krishna was a mischievous and naughty child known for breaking pots and taking away butter. Yashoda had decided to tie him to a big grinding mortar. But she bought a rope to bind him, but it fell 2 inches short, as you must have heard of this. She found a longer one, but again it fell short by 2 inches. Many extensions she added, it was just not enough to seal. Finally, she had to ask Krishna to allow her to tie him up. Tied to the heavy mortar, he pulled himself forward into the garden, and as he kept going forward, the mortar was wedged between two tall Arjuna trees. Unable to withstand the force of Krishna's pull, the two trees fell. There appeared before Krishna the two sons of Kubera, who were released from the curse of sage Narada. They bowed in gratitude to the Lord, yet were feeling sad to leave as they were thoroughly enjoying being a witness to his divine play on earth. On Janmashtami, you'll see more divine play coming in just a week's time. Now, the Lord, who frees all from bondage, allowed himself to be bound only by love and devotion, and to give salvation to his devotees. Raksha Bandhan is such a bonding of love and protection. When I was in school, I remember girls used to keep coming to me for notes. They would come even in college. But on Raksha Bandhan, they would suddenly disappear. Nobody would come. Even in college, nobody. I don't know why. Anyway, when there is bonding, there is no fear. The lack of bonding creates insecurity to creep in. We worry when what the other person is going to do. Will they take away our things from us? This fear of somebody snatching away something from you, whether it is from family or from society, is very strong, and it distorts our goodness and our creativity. Okay, this is very important. It shrinks our personality, weakens us, and affects our behavior with other people. You will see that people who are aggressive, they have some sense of insecurity in some ways. So Raksha Bandhan is where one ties a band saying that I am committed to this relationship or friendship. I'm committed to protecting you, and I give you assurance of our bonding. This bonding removes fear, and when fear is removed, then ignorance vanishes from our lives. I hope you enjoyed my little pravachan. Anyway, yet nobody wishes me happy Raksha Bandhan, but that's fine. I can well understand. And maybe one of you can help me understand a little more. Friends, I don't see a major crash or something. A lot of people are asking me. However, be careful of some days where there will be very violent movements in the market. Very violent. Upside, downside, both ways. If I were to glance across the whole week, a day where very violent moments can take place, I find, unfortunately, the day is 26th of August, Thursday. Options expiration day, weekly and monthly. This will give very violent movements upside as well as downside. Both will come as deep shock. Be very, very careful in working on that day. And can be very, very disturbing for people who are not prepared. Lot of people who are having only put or only call without understanding that. That's why I say that be a part of our premium plus. We tell you the direction. With that you can work better. But that, I think, is a day which, just glancing at the whole week, looks to be a day very very sharp rises and very sharp falls can. And there can be other sessions which can be fairly disturbing, which should be borne in mind as well. Okay, like on the 25th, on Wednesday, the afternoon session can give a sudden jolt. The afternoon session. Okay, so be cautious. On the whole, the week does not look to be one where you can see any major crash. At the same time, be very, very cautious in this week. There can be some days of furious rises and furious falls, particularly, as I explained, 26th of August 2021, which is a Thursday. Unfortunately, it's also the monthly expiration, so very violent, can see very violent premium rises and premium falls. It will be great opportunity to make money. You can make money wildly, and you may lose money also wildly if you don't know what you're doing. भाई और बहनों, हफ्ता में ऐसे कोई मेजर क्रैश चिंता ना करें. रक्षाबंधन है, मैं हूं ना. स्कूल में याद है, हाँ, लड़कियां बहुत सारे नोट्स लेने आती थी, स्कूल में भी और कॉलेज में भी, लेकिन रक्षाबंधन के दिन कोई गुम हो जाती थी. चलो, अच्छी बात है. जैसे उनका दिल किया वैसे किए. आज का दिन सबके लिए प्रेम भाव का है, एक दूसरे के साथ कमिटमेंट का दिन है, बॉन्डेज का दिन है, फ्रेंडशिप का दिन है, जो भी आप कहें. हाँ, भाई बहन ना है, लेकिन कमिटमेंट तो है ना. कमिटमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी रहती है. सही है, तो चिंता ना करें. फिर भी मैं हूँ. 26 अगस्त का जो है थोड़ा संभालना. ठीक है. ऑप्शंस एक्सपिरेशन है, मंथली भी है और वीकली भी है. इस दिन फ्यूरियस राइज, बहुत फास्ट राइज भी हो दिखेगा, फास्ट फॉल भी दिखेगा. कुछ 25 तारीख को भी ऐसा दृश्य दिखने की संभावना है दिन के समय. सडन मोमेंट्स, बहुत सडन मोमेंट्स. इसके अलावा ऐसा मुझे नज़र नहीं आ रहा कोई मेजर क्रैश. बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या संभावना है, क्या कोई मेजर क्रैश की. मुझे ऐसा फिलहाल ये हफ्ते में कोई मेजर क्रैश वैसे नहीं दिख रहा. वायलेंट मूवमेंट्स जो बहुत ट्रबलसम हो सकती है, जो एफएनओ वगैरह में जॉइन खेल रहे हैं या जो इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए बहुत दिक्कत बात हो सकता है वो दिन, अगर वो समझ के नहीं, डायरेक्शन नहीं समझे. ठीक है, अच्छा डायरेक्शन जाने के लिए प्रीमियम प्लस जरूर ज्वाइन करेंगे जल्द से जल्द. नंबर है संपर्क करने के लिए 9820861044. फिर से 9820861044. और आज का दिन अच्छा रहे. आप सबको रक्षाबंधन की शुभकामनाएं. पूरी काम ये प्रार्थना है भगवान से कि आप सब लोगों को खुशहाली रहे, आपके कमिटमेंट्स बढ़ते रहें. कमिटमेंट अपना कभी नहीं भूलिएगा. हाँ, किसी के भी साथ, मेरे साथ भी कमिटमेंट नहीं भूलना. जुड़ के रहना आर्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग से. मैं भी कमिटमेंट नहीं भूलूंगा. जहाँ भी सबको दिया है कि जब एक मेजर फॉल आना है पहले बताऊंगा. ठीक है, तो आप भी कमिटमेंट रखिएगा, जुड़े रहिएगा और शेयर करते रहिए. दूसरे, मैं बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहता हूं. मैंने बताया कि एक इसके पहले कि कोई मेजर ऐसा कहीं पे आ जाए, थोड़ा संभालिएगा. ठीक है ना, वो बताऊंगा, चिंता नहीं करिए. कमिटमेंट है, रक्षाबंधन का दिन है आज. ठीक है, और जल्द से जल्द फिर संपर्क करेंगे. प्रीमियम प्लस जिनको है इच्छा वो ज्वाइन करें, तो आपको सब एडवांस में बताते जाएंगे कैसे ये ऑप्शंस एक्सपायरी होगा, कहाँ पे मार्केट जाने की संभावना है, कहाँ अप्स एंड डाउन्स कब आएंगे, सब डिटेल में आपको समझाएंगे. नंबर है संपर्क करने के लिए 9820861044. जय हिंद, जय भारत, खुश रहिए.